Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now locate and open General Management and go to date and time. And you have two options. You can either have an automatic date and time, or you can switch it off. And at first select the region and time zone. So as you can see, Samsung prepared a wide list of time zones here and regions. Let me pick, for example, this one, and then you can also set the date and time manually by yourself. So it's all up to you what time and date it currently is. Then you can also switch off 24-hour format clock by tapping on this switcher, and then you can activate it back to have a 24-hour format clock instead of 12-hour format clock once you want to. You can obviously go back to automatic date and time simply by tapping on this switcher. So that's basically all. This is how you can change date and time in your device in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.